Alright, last video. We are still combining like terms, then solving, but we're going to take the complexity up just a little bit. So this is our equation we are going to be solving. I'll give you a second to get it written down. Negative 5d minus 4 plus 2d minus 2 equals negative 18. Alright, before I can get started, I have to simplify on both sides, meaning combine all like terms. So I have negative 5d and 2d that I'll be able to combine together because they have the same variable. But I also have negative 4 and negative 2 that'll be able to be combined together because they are both constants, meaning they don't have a variable on them. I'm going to do it one step at a time. If you can combine those two steps together, feel free to do it. I would love to see you try that. Again, pause the video at any time, try to beat me to the answer, and then you can check to see if you're right at the end. Negative 5d plus 2d is going to result in a negative 3d. And I still have negative 4 minus 2, and my equal sign still there, and negative 18 stays put. So nothing's changed. I've just combined negative 5d and 2d together. Alright, now I can combine negative 4 and negative 2. So negative 3d gets a free pass to the next line. Negative 4 minus 2 would give me negative 6. Again, integer operations. If you are still struggling, reach out and I will give you some helpful sites, helpful practice, helpful videos to get you over that hump. Bring your equal sign down. Negative 18 gets a free trip. Now we're down to a two-step, and we should be experts at two-step. What do we have to do first? You got it. Add 6. Remember, we can't just write it. We have to actually calculate what we have written. Negative 3d gets another free pass. Negative 6 plus 6 is a big fat 0. Equal sign gets free pass. And negative 18 plus 6 would give me a negative 12. What's my last step? Yep, divide by negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 is a positive 1, leaving us with d equals. And how many times does 3 go into 12? Yeah, 4. And it's a negative divided by negative, which is a positive. Can we check to see if we're right? Of course we can, and we will. So our check step. Now, you want to make our check step a little bit easier? Well, we've already combined these together. So if we've combined those together, we can use that part instead of the big long equation. So let's go. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 minus 6 equals negative 18. Negative 12 minus negative 6, or oops, not that. Negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18 equals negative 18. Boom, boom. And for good measure, I'll just show you that we'd get the same thing if we started with that. So rapid fire here, so just sit back, relax, and watch. Boom. Alright, hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, shoot them in the comments. Shoot Mr. Claire and I an email. And we will have practice material for you as well, and then the assessment will be posted shortly after all the practice stuff. The practice is not required, but recommended, especially for this one, because the Google form is a little complicated, so I want you guys to practice with that Google form before you take the assessment. All right, stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands, and practice math.